boys and girls, Miss Mobile here. Today's lesson is another small moment. I know, your total fave. So today's small moment is going to be about a time where you got hurt. And you can make it as little, like a paper cut that you got, or as big, maybe you broke your leg, okay? So it's completely up to you what scale of hurt you want to talk about. But today's lesson is going to be about a time where you write about that you got hurt. So I will give you a couple examples and I'll let you go, all right? So when I was about 16 years old, I was at my friend's house and I was helping her move the furniture around in her living room. And my small moment was I went to help I pulled this big couch and I was trying to move it backwards and I pulled really hard. And this couch came and landed on my foot. And it hurt so much. And I cried. And then it was a Saturday or a Friday and I went home. This is not part of my small moment, just telling you the rest of the story. I went home and I needed surgery on my foot because it crushed some of the bones in my foot. It hurt so much. But my small moment was I remember pulling this couch, trying to, with all my might, move it to be helpful. I was trying to help my friend move her living room stuff around. And I pulled it and I fell back and the couch tipped back and landed on my foot. And I cried hysterically. That's my small moment, this one little piece of the day. So again, the story around it was I was at my friend's house. I was helping her move her living room furniture. And after it happened, I had to get surgery on my foot. But the part that I'm writing about, the two sentences that I am going to tell you, are that I tried to pull with all my might, pull this big couch to help my friend move her stuff around the living room. And as I pulled so hard, this enormous couch came and fell on my foot. And I cried so hard. Okay, so that was my story. So now your story is maybe you were riding your bike and you fell off and you skinned your knee, okay, or got a scab on your knee. Maybe you were running in gym class and you bumped heads with somebody, and they call it, you get an egg on your head when you get that big bump. Maybe that happened to you. Maybe you were reading because you loved to read, and as you were flipping the pages so fast, you got a paper cut on your finger, okay? Any kind of time that you got hurt. It could be something little, like you closed out. Do you know how many times I have closed my finger in the drawers? Ah, that hurts so much, right? It could be that. It could be stubbing your toe. It could be falling off a bike, falling down the stairs, bumping heads. There are so many ways that we don't even think about unless right now we're really trying to remember. But people get hurt all the time. It's not always really bad, but people get hurt all the time, right? I mean, I got 3 kids running around here. Somebody's always like, I hurt myself. I say, you're fine, right? I bet your mom and dad do that to you too. You're fine. Anyway, so go ahead today, boys and girls. You are going to write us 2 sentences about a time that you were hurt. And don't forget, start your sentences with capital letters, leave nice spaces between your words, put periods at the end. And remember, you're only using a capital at the beginning of your sentence. And then you go through and you write with lowercase letters, right? Unless there is the word I or a name in the middle of your sentence, it's all lowercase, okay? All right, boys and girls, I hope you all have a fabulous day, and I miss you all very much, and that's it. Have a good day. Bye.